Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jeff Flash, and yes, I'm finally back with a reaction video. It's been kind of a while, and I'm gonna pick up where I left off with the funny WWE alarm clock wake up videos. This time we got funny WWE alarm clock wake ups number 7 by this, of course, by the same exact YouTuber, Kid Clips. And I'm not gonna waste any time at all, and I'm just gonna go right into this. Alright, so like John Cena and Triple H would always say, your time is up, my time is now. It's time to play the game. So let's go ahead and get into this in 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, let's go. 7 days equals 7 WWE alarm clocks. Yeah, indeed. Monday night. Oh, God, The Miz. I hate Miz. But what is it going to be? Should have guessed that. Now that just sounds annoying. It's just making my back itch for that.
Another week of WWE alarms. Woo!
Tuesday. Ooh, Shinsuke Nakamura.
Are these clean or dirty? Have you worn these?
They're dirty. It's my mom. Okay, that was funny. Just see, I'm gonna go right back to sleep. That was my mom, by the way. Wednesday. Ooh, Randy Orton. Good one. That actually would kind of be just a little bit noisy if it was that close to me. Probably would scare me a bit if it was that close. It'd probably scare me even more if I was sleeping with headphones on. I have slept with headphones on before, but not when, sorry, excuse me, not when that stuff happens. Good respawn. Huh. Here, Kid Clips just singing his own version of Randy Orton's theme. Thursday. Ooh, the legendary late Randy Savage. Nice. Oh, yeah! That's the closest Randy Savage in my voice impression I can do.
Randy Savage. Should I stay in bed? Should I sleep some more? Agree with you.
Ignore that. That's just a notification noise. Friday. Ah, Sami Zayn. Just a little back. I may not like Sami Zayn anymore, but I guess his theme is still entertaining, I guess. I don't see why not. Still getting it down. Funny how my hair is switching left and right, almost like it's almost like they look like hands. These parts look like they're hands. Whew. I have a 4-day weekend, by the way.
Let's go!
Perfect timing. Whew. Don't mind my hair being all messed up, by the way. It's been kind of a, I just have days of school. I just got out of school yesterday, and actually I have a 4-day weekend. Usually after school ends Friday, I usually have Saturday and Sunday, but it's actually going to be a 4-day weekend because Monday is actually the fair day and Tuesday is teachers having to work at the school, so I get 4 days off, so I don't go back to school till Wednesday, which is pretty lucky too. I actually also get to go to the fair Thursday too with some of my classmates, so pretty much I'll miss a day of school and I'll have to make up for my assignments when I return Friday, but never mind. I don't think I'll be able to make any videos there because I don't think I'll be able to take my tablet, which I would love to, but oh well. But never mind. Because I haven't been to the fair in like years, to be honest. I was such a small kid when the last time I went to the fair, so we'll see. Alright, back where we left off. I see Saturday is John Cena, my second favorite superstar. What's it gonna be though? Oh, the crowd chanting John Cena sucks. Would Kid Clips agree? I guess he agrees. Well, I don't think Cena sucks. I mean, he's my second favorite superstar, but you know, just everybody has an opinion on somebody.
Waking up sucks. Waking up sucks. Waking up sucks.
That's funny. I actually would love to sleep. Sunday. Oh, Vicky Guerrero. I requested this one, actually. I remember, I think I requested this one. I remember one time in another one, I requested Vicky Guerrero. Like, I requested Kid Clips to have a alarm where Vicky Guerrero was saying, "Excuse me," because of course it's annoying. I think this is the one that was it. I was hoping it'd be the one where she's screaming, "Excuse me!" Because that probably would scare somebody, but eventually when I saw it, it wasn't really the way I wanted it. But it still worked, you know? Alright, but let's see. I think this is it. Yep. Yeah, this is it.
God. Excuse me. Who sets an alarm on Sundays?
Okay, good respawn.
This idiot. Guys and girls, if you've enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, hit subscribe, and put any more suggestions for WWE alarms in the comments. Excuse me. But
He needs more sleep.
I'm gonna sleep some more.
Yep. 2. Sweet. Okay, that was a good one. That was a good one. I like it. Pretty interesting. He ended it with the Vicky Guerrero one I requested. But anyway, I don't really like Vicky Guerrero either. But oh well. But my best friend Matthew Kelso actually does. Vicky Guerrero actually returned earlier this year at the first ever Women's Royal Rumble match. She didn't stay in there long, but oh well. But anyway, that'll be it for today, guys. If you dislike this video, give a thumbs down. If you like to give a thumbs up. And join me next time, and we'll react to Funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up number 8. But until then, this is Joe Flash signing off, and have a good day.